What's good? What's good? It's your man Don Bucks. Welcome to another episode of Cheef and Chart, brought to you by Rap and Dough. You know, the home of money conversations. We talk all things black wealth. Oh man, we talking options and charts, of course, while our chief define this episode, tropical Runtz. It's going down. It's going down. What's going down? The SPY is going down, damn it. Down, down, down. But I don't care, man. I told y'all, hey, before we even get into this, make sure y'all hit the like and subscribe button. For all y'all aspiring options and investors and options traders and investors, tap in, hit that notification bell, because you don't know when I'm going live, and I'm live Monday through Friday. You dig? And this is not financial advice. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Because what do I know? I'm smoking weed, right? What does a person that smokes weed know, right? Anyway, that's another story. But so the SPY, if y'all been tapped in, I know he was testing important levels, but the downtrend ensues, y'all. It ensues. But what does that mean? That doesn't mean anything to an options trader. It shouldn't mean anything to a long-term investor either, because long-term investors should be looking for a pullback. Because me personally, what we need to be doing is buying these dividends. When we get lump sums of money, when we get extra money, even when we got regular money, we need to be buying income, right? So if you can buy income, wouldn't you want to buy it when it's cheaper? Makes sense, right? When stocks go down, that means they're on sale. It's not like you buying it and selling it for a loss. You're holding it forever because it's paying you. This is what's going to pay you income. So you're not selling it for a loss when it goes down. That's the only time you lose money, is when you sell it for a loss. But you're not selling it. You're holding it. These are your assets. See, this is the type of stuff we wasn't taught. You know what I'm saying? All we know is buy and sell something, like we track it. It's like, no, like these are whole companies. These are ownership pieces of businesses that we're owning when you buy shares. So when it goes down in price, if it's a dope company, right, you buy more of it for cheaper. Like they say, this stock market is the only store people run from when it's a sale. It's crazy. It's not crazy. It's only because we ain't know any better, right? But if you tapped into Rap and Dough, you tapped into Cheef and Chart, you can't unhear that. You can't unhear that. So if you want to take advantage of dividends, I actually put together a webinar and a free calendar. I did all the research for the people, and I pulled up all the dividend aristocrats. So what is dividend aristocrats? These are companies that not only paid their dividend consistently, but they also have increased it for the past 25 consecutive years. So there's 63 companies that fit this elite group, because you got to be elite. You feel me? You ain't no fly by night. You've been paying people and increasing their income for the past 25 years straight. So I did all that for you. And what I also did was I did a little razzle dazzle. For a little razzle dazzle, I did some more research and went and seen what month do they pay. So I broke it down from months, January all the way to December, what dividend aristocrat pays in which month. And that's free. For a limited time only. Feel free to go to gumroad.com/rap and dough. You know what I'm saying? Hit that follow button and you'll be notified as well when I drop new material, but that's in there, so you can grab that from there. But this is what we're doing with our money. We're buying income, right? So when stocks go down, it's not a bad thing for long-term investors. And for options traders, it's not a bad thing, because if we see from what I'm about to show you on the chart, or what you're going to be learning as you look at the chart, because you're not going to need me. This is why I do this. I don't want you to need me. I want you to be able to see and do this stuff on your own. You feel me? So when stocks go down, there's, with options trading, y'all know if y'all took my course. If not, that's in the description too. Feel free to grab that. But put contracts, you grab put contracts and you make money when the stock goes down. So beauty of options trading. So let's get into this chart. Make sure y'all hit the notification bell and the subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? So let's see what we got here. Let's take a look at the SPY, man. Because y'all know we got to keep your eye on the SPY, man. You feel me? And if y'all was tapped in, now I don't have no lines on here because we want to simplify. The less stuff you have, the better. Oh, I do have these Bollinger Bands here, but let me hide the Bollinger Bands. And plain chart. Now, y'all know what's been going on. The range has been expanded. I talked about that last night. The downtrend range has been expanded. What do I mean by that? The range went all the way out here. It got wider. The range got wider. Where's my, hold up, y'all. Where's my, I don't see me. Hold up, let me see what we got going on here. I don't know, but okay, we good. I couldn't see me. I don't know what's going on with that, but as long as y'all can see me, that's what counts. All right, boom. So the downtrend range expanded because this is where it was. So we're taking the tops. Hold up. Which top was I rocking with? That's why. Ooh. Guess what I was doing, y'all? This is why. This is why we do Cheef and chart, man. Now, preface. Y'all notice if y'all took my course, I don't know everything about options. I'm a student. You know what I'm saying? You can't lead until you're a student. You can't lead until you followed somebody that know what they're doing. My coach is Todd Kaplan. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know everything about options, but I do know a little bit to get some pretty decent results. So this is what I was doing though. And we're all susceptible to mistakes, right? No one will be 100%. Because like I always say, all the strategies work. Like somebody screaming, "Oh, my strategy the best." This guy, "Oh, I'm the best." All the strategies work, fam. All of them. But none of them work 100% of the time. So you just got to pick a strategy that works and use it all the time, because it's not going to work 100% anyway. So just know that. Even if you're doing all the right shit, it's not going to work 100%. Just know that. So I'm not trying to teach people how to be 100% traders, like win all the time as a trader. No, because that's unrealistic. The market is not, it has a level of predictability, but there's always a chance of somebody making a move against what you think should be going on, or got more money than you, move the market. Or me, got more money than me, move the market. You know what I'm saying? So, but there is a level of predictability. So we want to put ourselves in those situations. So what was I doing? I drew my tops wrong. It's clear in hindsight. I see it now. But when I initially drew these tops, it didn't look like that. It didn't look like that. So I see it now. So this is why we got to draw our levels. So this is what it broke through here. And it was down. Let me see, wait a minute, where was it? Yeah, I think once it broke that level, it was over. And down she went. It chested it, and down she went. But this is what we've been going through. This craziness here. But it broke above that level. But it hit the top of this trend line that I didn't have there accurately. You know, I didn't have this line here accurately, and I totally didn't see this coming. I seen it after the fact, and because my stock didn't necessarily look like this, but this is what we're looking at to see what the overall market is going to be doing on a lot of times out of 10 basis. This is why we look at the SPY. So according to the SPY, we're on a downtrend still. And we just broke below another level. You see that? Where is it going next? The next level is here. That's where we want to go. That's where we want to go, y'all. I see that. So tomorrow, I will be looking for a rally so I can go short. If that's what you're, if you're trading the SPY. I'm not, if you're practicing, hopefully you're practicing paper trading, not using real money until you are proficient. Don't use real money until you're proficient. Don't rush it. Don't rush it like I did. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're on a downtrend here, y'all. And this is the level it looks like we want to go to. High chances of it going down. This is what we're doing with all options trades. We're putting ourselves in high probability situations. And from the looks of things, it broke support and it has another level to go to. All right. So that's what we expecting tomorrow. So as far as my trade, I told you I switched stocks that has higher volatility. And look at that. Ooh-wee. I'm liking this stock already. You hear me? So what's today? 31st. So look what happened today. So yesterday, the 30th. Boom, the 30th. Believe it was this pin bar or 29th. Was that the 29th? Well, long story short, I went in here, took profit. Let me make this bigger. I went in here, took profit this morning here. So being that let me go down to my trading time frame because this is the daily. This is what I make my decisions on once I drop down into my trading time frame. So I said, okay, I like. Let me see, what did I like? Where's my stuff at? Let me put my stuff back on here because I use momentum, the MACD. I use the MACD to confirm what I see. So I seen weakness in this bar, but I seen, because I was looking at this for a couple days, so I think I seen it right here. I seen a weakness in a bar, but momentum in the MACD. So that's called a momentum divergence. So I said, ooh, let me go down. I came across this joint. It came across one of the people I follow on Twitter or something. Came across during the day when I was looking at the charts and shit. And I said, what the hell is that? Because I've been looking to trade something where the contracts cost the same amount, give or take, that MO costs, like around $20, $30, $40. For people that's wondering how much it costs to get started, contracts each, you can get any kind of contract. So that's going to be part of as a matter of fact, perfect time to bring this up. That's going to be a section, the first section we talk about in Options Made Easy Bootcamp starting September 4th. We're going to figure out what your emotional threshold is, how much you're willing to risk per trade, and you're comfortable risking it. Then we're going to figure out what stocks you need to be trading based off of, how much those contracts are. So we have to figure out the first thing first in order to get to the second thing. All right. So that's what I did. And that's what I explained to y'all. I was looking for another stock to trade that had higher volatility, that cost the same. The contracts cost, give or take, the same as the company I was just trading, MO. This came across and I said, looked it up. Higher volatility, similar price for the contracts. I like it. So here I am. Seeing this weakness with a momentum divergence. So these levels here are for, seems like, let me make it bigger. Are these levels for my daily? Let me get rid of these and start fresh because, like I said, all I have is levels here. Oh, I got MACD on here twice. MACD on here twice. So I got my MACD. I don't have much. My MACD and my levels. That's all I have. I want to simplify. You know what I mean? Because if you see what's going on, that's all you need. Okay. We got a new high in the MACD with weakness after a big drop. Big drop, momentum divergence equals what we see here. Boom. So this is what I seen. I said, ooh, we got weakness with momentum. I need parts. I need parts. This is it right here. That red bar. So let's drop down. Now, as you can see, the levels are different and your trading time frame. But the ones we have here are the ones that hold precedent because they're the daily time frame. So you want to position yourself in the lower time frame based off of what you see in the daily. So in the daily, these are resistance levels. So you know that's where it wants to go. As long as it's not overextended, right? And you don't see a momentum switch. You know what I mean, you'll know if it gets to a level and you see it switch, you can go down because the relatable time frame to 2 hours, a half an hour. See, we got this wanting to go up. We want this, and look, green, mad green. This is going this way. MACD wants to. It's all a recipe for it going. It wants to go. Where does it want to go? To the next level. So the next level is 23.10. I'm going to take profit before that. You don't want to be greedy. I'm taking profit in about 20 or 30 more cents. Dig what I'm saying? So I'm in this. Depending on how I act tomorrow, I might take profit tomorrow. I might hold it over the weekend. But y'all know about holding stuff over the weekend. It might open up. It might gap up or down. You never know what kind of news is going to come out over the weekend. So that's always a risk of holding contracts over the weekend. But this is where my overall trend, the daily, wants to go, because we have the momentum divergence in the daily, I believe. Oh no, it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. So in the daily, it wants to go to 23.17. And it just busts through this resistance here. Go down to trading time frame. It busts through it on the trading time frame as well. Next level up actually is 22.89. 22.80. Yeah. So yeah, I'll probably take profit tomorrow, depending on how fast this moves, because I'm learning it. This is going to be my stock that I'm trading. I'm trading one stock at a time. So I'm learning it with real money. I wouldn't suggest you do that though, but this is what I'm doing. That being said, y'all, I hope y'all got some value out of this. Make sure y'all hit the notification bell. Make sure y'all grab all the material y'all need. Hit the link in the description over there. Hit the notification bell. Tell a friend to tell a friend. It's your man Don Bucks. Oh, get your seat for the Options Made Easy boot camp starting September 4th. I got like 5 more days. You feel me? So make sure y'all get y'all seat. See y'all on the internet streets, and I will see y'all tomorrow. And remember, there's no competition. It's you versus you.